ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for mami, I say sister, Vim lady. I want to show mu. I can send back with me. I feel say wait there me agree with it or no. Anything. Or see, there is a general belief, say the Volta caucus in NDC has been neglected.
And I'll come to President Mahama there was every Julius Zebrani a mosquito can annoy because General Mosquito Falls are here, you mama party sang, this is the time.
The Volta caucus in NDC has been neglected. Anything. Ebusian for general knowledge. Say the founder, the visionary, the pioneer. Nipa enam onusu na NDC. NDC no. Sa nipa no oye ewe. Aye Jerry John Rawlings of Free Volta region. Enam enusu na Volta region be ye NDC for stronghold since 1992 till lene. Whether NDC any voter omo ndi ni ye o voter for soria omo ko don ko to abana chinie na NDC na no mutuma no ene amini AYɛka no e the whole voter region MPP ni sit back kumpo ni constituency nyina no NDC die sit back ko na MPP aye hoho enu kra no omo sorry. Despite everything that Peter Mewu did for them, but the football team football team about Premier League, Ghana Premier League about Ghana Premier League. See about Ghana Premier League ewo hohwe. When you nechi no, nkrofo na koto abati ano. Chile se omu die, mi nkrofo die NDC na. Na ebusianfo eno na say projections are eba ni say yenim say John Dramani Mahama His Excellency onko biom. Because in the second term no enoye after weru asa onko wakotina say ada aje na humi nsa na kana otwim call retirement now retirement no ebusianfo say NDC as a party replacement member nipa obeteki after His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So far names are coming up. Ebimsi Julius Zebra, ebimsi Asiru Nketia, ebimokra say Jenana Opoku Ajiman, ebimusu say Haruna Idrisu. Ebusianfo West our more NDC more asking say eba no say na baby a mu stronghold region I am stronghold I from 1992 pesi neno mo na omuto abamamu omu sisa omusanda mo NDC na omuto abamamu omuko na mkotu so omutuma boom ebusianfo there are constituencies of voter hano NDC MP need to me winning by 80%. Me can't adamo. Voter region ha. Ebi mukra de. Voter region MP na nyakra na enye 60%. NDC for presidential no omo nyakra na enye 70% or 65%. Na say region bitimi to abama mu say. Na mu as a party say. Adenu de akọ north. Akọ south. Akọ Volta. But Volta mrene bae no ache. Na mu per replacement Emma John Dramani Mahama edim ba kumpo embra mutirimu free Volta region. Volta for money omuni njikra. They feel disrespected. They feel betrayed. They feel overlooked. They feel useless. Edim ba kumpo ade Volta no omuni nkrofo ana misi omu esanse mi nya ndisi ni anka maybe say yeni nkrofo ana but that no we standing Volta yeni nkrofo ana ye nipa yen Volta for ye be flagbɛarer of NDC enye ade na de bia no I say since Jerry John Rawlings ewu bia ewu ye no they say Volta nde mu fa munye hwi Move for microphone ye she. I'm so my catch microphone. I say NDC for boom, but microphone so there. NDC na NIPP so mistakes be. And yes, all those mistakes I believe say by now crying. But I can say you will force it be. It was for encourage video, no.
You people must be bold and be truthful to the people. You must be the entire to me retire where you money no. You can't say retire and now send me be about to the same way they all fire. One I bet me a fireman wa fire the year. Because now everybody and obi na madam obi na can as say Ghana there obi aboa. Krom obi aboa obi just say compromise obi aboa. Because in Kenya then and Kobi to say gift your wife. Now some me kwana me one. And I'll come to President Mama dia was so every Julius Zebrani mosquito kwana no yam because general mosquito fools are here do mama party san this is the time. Attack credit for best and be great. Inche your friend mosquito any time ni why ye do mama party man go for be the president the man inche any time ni and to no so obotum wa shine no mahama so every omunyina. Because I don't know, Mama is confused. Who say unsupporting mosquito and now unsupporting Julius Zebra because can nipa ni Julius Zebra. In fact, President Mama party and can first President can nipa ni every free anchor. And every free anchor because of our World Cup issue near $3 million. So I call a yin no kube yokoto kube $25 near identity. Or muchuku and I yargan Elvis is how uchukun is simple. And no free or no President Mama is okay any uncle fa ono anakola o mane boama. And you know groomy or mane boama. So mane boama will be able to come and take over from him. And on mane boama the akoye in Julius Zebra so is like I say heir apparent. Now President Mama just has a party for be a President Mama support no. And he cannot support everybody too. 18 as so Pam no chan or ban the president. Me who say President Mama can't happen as the President Mama or swerve your money now. But you see, not only has President Mama swerved them, but President Mama in a way, no, is also trying to see, yeah, say President Mama can say or ban the bedi nadia by me my own intuition, any experience. May except me say President Mama or secure on another second term. Into your own benya 3 terms. Tieni pa. Because your mommy, Jena no pokwadma on your politician, or be any so on your politician, or your educationist. She has no interest in becoming the first female president of Ghana. On your politics, no one who never or your politics, no one pay. It is a president, Mama, and this is what the mammy, the banner, as a mammy, she's only there representing my president Mama. Because for one almost Mama Haman consistent constitution, he has been smart. President Mama Nakata is smart. Constitution, there means because our entrenched clauses near a long process. Oh, I know. Name or the Jena no pokwad mamba, and Obian say MPP for more fans is what it. And the course which yesterday there will be more confusion, even after more prime minister. Still on Tokwana Krabe more than 10 years they see our MPP more. So chances yeah, what the NDC near MPP to for 2028. There's a high chance that NDC will win. What the NDC, what the many penny for your money and why journalists say, you know, money about to chunk more you see. What the NDC, any MPP to one, there's a very high chance, say 2028, you know, NDC best winning. It is NDC best winning, not a President Mahame who say, oh, to me, and Sanko change constitution, you know, because I am trying to a long process. And over now, call yep MPP before Benyan, and I'm saying, Mahama on your kind. I quite so another term, Obeka Kodi. So at your saying, President Mama, in a very smart way, no, he's been smart, saying, on one the uncle constitution, you have a name, you have a Professor Jenano Pokwad member, because why is Ude Busangos identity President Mama? There has never been a conversation about Professor Jenano Pokwad member. In fact, Mamina Kasa has never indicated anywhere, say, of a president, or she's politically ambitious. She's one of the unproblematic people in politics. Professor Jenano Pokwad no. Onunitinu book unkwane gum. Onye be a politician never no use them damn. People like Do Ajaho. I was expecting somebody like Do Ajaho Senka. Do Ajaho betimi aba be president. But having been speaker of parliament, no. I said the also NDC ye be oma ya momo dada. Oma ya momo. But other people in Volta region can also come into NDC, into the high rank. Some of them here, Ekujeto Black, Ekujeto Black, echo the trajectory no corner, with the exception of small here and there mistakes be all here now. Ekujeto, that should be obey me about the president and that's a vice president for NDC. And the ever caucus is up to them after Rawlings. In fact, the Voltarians in NDC should have identified people who survived President Rawlings. Because you're funny back to say after Rawlings, why the bed not there from the region? And the NDC was bigger problem. Which MPP for almost so starting NDC problem maybe. Because after President Kufuor, they say President Kufuor say, why oracle the bars and they hold on the party in a coffin. And this President Kufuor faction, and said that they say a friend saying Nanado faction. Party faction, the first not another faction, a party faction. No, say about another faction and a party faction. And some other people groups, but so many groups will come out of it. In the end, President Mama, I swear you will be or say the next president, and was say a year or bad. But you see, MPP, whether or not on them, some people are perceived to be Omun for. Should give to a case, you say, and it's a very sad one. Give to your ideas.
Yanko. Okay, Abekumeda say, my main chair will be your wife, na Mimisa, na mensan can we say, some of us know ye mounted platform near Kasa, not yet describe who NDC are, and your time, it is indeed who they are. Say, Unya, a member of parliament, with the parliament, Washem Rama or mine disoda. Ebe Jinaoba Bekachre will say, the nation is benefiting from an illegal act. So the nation should spend more money, okay, to allow the illegal act to go on. Sadly, no media has highlighted this reportage. Like nobody is actually even talking about it. In any serious nation, that man should have been picked up by now. But hey, this is where we are. Now, Abiku, I just want to start by saying that John Mohammed Nimuse, or no Nimuse, the way you are lying, Akoyeno, o chatron or the beje then, or the babeji to me, to only be obey to me, I be the Abua Ghana for but to deceive Ghanaians. And Untube, before they start anything, Abeku, what they do is that they prepare the minds of the people for defeat. Why am I saying this? One, Debia or catch us at the case or picture something like Agenda 111. Or Sikano, like we need this huge amount of money in order to do it, so we cannot do that one now. Or he shaves that one aside. One district, one factory, or Sioniska or Debaya because so he always puts a fear or prepare fear be the show. I do say, hey, and yes, MPP for this papa, Sana, this is how much we need, and Sana to me, I say, now I bet my MPP one a time more. And then he shows you how incompetent he is. Now, so catch him say, "Who you be already president da na ukuta experience." And untime am fast say you to me na mate. Now who experienced driver no beba. Not the same experienced driver, but not the same issue now. What went to me and solve no. And that's so stay at him. Now he's still asking for more time. It just tells you say, "Oni pano on to me nya de no ho say." Don't waste your energy. Don't go and break your heart. John Mahama has no interest in solving Galamsey because Abeku, they are on record should have said MPP 4% come stop Galamsey. The first thing they would have done is to secure the port and make sure say no excavators come into the country. Didn't they say this? Abeku, the same NDC people Abeku, they told us say excavators no if report honeba. And I can give you Inusa Fuseni said some, Abba Fuseni said some, latest boy, my friend Ama Kofibua said some, the guy who even passed away in the plane crash, Omunina Kebi, including the small boy called Sam George when he was going for that demonstration, that Galamsey demonstration. President Akufo-Addo, stop Galamsey now. It was there. That was what he said. Abeku. Intina no mo ba any mono and Sabio the same idea no mo say can restrict to a port no they are rather allowing 200 inflows a day. It shows you they have no interest. How can you tell me that the president's brother has set up a mining company with a Chinese away partner, yet he's going to fight Galamsey? How are you going to tell me a president who told you, say, I'm going to fight Galamsey with AI, comes to power, takes money just to satisfy his political party, tells you, say, what be your friend water guards? When the army with all their sophisticated weapons could not stand up to these Galamseyers? How are you going to believe a president that is telling you, say, gold board actually buys illegal gold because it is what is sustaining the country? It is on video. Then you have gold boss who is employed by the boss himself to tell you, say, oh, his boss, the president, got it wrong. However, they are getting gold. However, they have not given any mining licenses. And now for you to be so daft to believe that giving John Mahama 10 billion is going to help. Abeku, you see the insincerity in them in fighting Galamsey. And then an environmental protection agency lady, no, Ebeka say, in order to see the damages, because I did be a cause and effect to see the damages. How to clear James Union, we need $200 million. Meboa. And yeah, Galamsey issue,
Yeah,
and
and
they
almost try nano whatever, no. Yeah.
you 200, then the same people, the same government is telling you, say, now he needs $10 billion in order to fight Galamsey. Don't forget, say, Nikki 24-hour economy no also needs $4 billion. Into just for 2 programs alone, that is $14 billion. And Ghanaians think this is what
big push in there.
but that is what I'm saying, $10 billion. The same thing.
So we're looking at $24 billion.
So you see, so Omunim said time nusa. 4 years. So what you say? And you know, yampe kwanya ye di be deceiving crofo, yampe kwanya ye beka say na ade na ewo, and na ade na ginsem ye try aginsem. Ya mean is on record to have said, say, omo ye mema, they should dare him and say, onjai Galamsey, yanko omo nkasa ombeti omo baby. Have you ever seen your mama say a word about Yamin? Osropo?